Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one video when I see for YouTube, no, for Facebook. One video when I see where one get the drive a boyfriend or a baby father. They drive am, they say the guy say he deceive am, the guy not tell am truth, the guy tell am say he get wife, the guy not tell am say he get wife, he come shock when he come see say the guy get wife. My people, when I see the video I shock tala is small because our boys they lie too much. They lie too much all because of laziness wey dey worry them. Wey be say work, they no wan work, they go come dey lie say they no get wife, and whereas they get wife. Whereas they get wife. And then with the wife sef, they say they communicate. You lie to the girl say no get wife again. My people, una reason how una reason this thing. Why e be say some of our boys they lie too much? They lie too much. How can you get wife? You come dey lie say you no get wife. Okay, now this woman now. The girl now don't find out now say you get wife now. How you come dey reason yourself now, my brother? How you dey reason yourself now? So our boys una lie too much. Now this laziness of work where you be say una no wan work, na dey make una dey do this thing o. Me I no know for una. How you go get wife? You come lie say you no get wife. Okay, see the girl now come begin the video and say the funny part of it, the guy come still give another girl belle again. He come still give another girl belle for that same place where they dey there. I go put the record the more na the listening, more na the year where the girl they talk. More na the year where the girl they talk. Our boys they lie too much. Una too they lie. Una will get wife, una also not get. And you with the wife, una still they communicate. You lie to the girl. The girl can't find that now. See and self, they even the one enter as the girl they say make you know go green me enter. More listen, my people. More listen.
Devil, you mad man, they look him. I look him. Now, devil man, wait, don't marry. For Nigeria, come me make a call buffer. Because I be baby mama Sherry, I be or go here and go. Anywhere where you go, I'll follow you. You see this man? Well, now, who you want any? Well, now, yeah, for street way. I must say, where I'm on Facebook. Yeah, take away. Because I went swag. People may know me, you don't see your order too much. I don't take. I said, no, enter my house. Don't enter this fucking place. If not, I'll call police for you. Oh, if you call this house, I'll deal with you. I mean, we are wrong. Why they wrong? You don't say you be father of all the old days and enemy. Make a make sure. Make me make sure. If you beg me, I go kill you. Sorry, no. Maria go see this video. I don't want to be the sheriff because enough of your insults. I'm not sure. Enough for your. You see this man? What happened today? What's your Abu be say?
The beg lazy guy.
What's your Abu be say? You the shit on me. You don't marry for Nigeria. You say, also if you enter my house, also you give if you enter my house.
But Austin, you wanna make them win a Austin.
Today for me, are you? Well, we went and I don't win and for where? Well, we went and
lazy boy.
Your God, you never say God. If you know God, you for not they do bad. If you know God, you for not they do bad. Where they say you don't marry, come tell me say.
Okay, wait.
My friend of business, give my phone, the guy. Give me my fucking phone. You don't have my phone. Is it your phone?
Yeah, give me now.
Is it your phone? If you enter this house, I'll slap you. If you enter this house, I'll slap you. You don't marry. Because they do me why you say you never marry. You know, don't be see my belly. And oh, get out. As I disgrace you so but I saw you one want this. Go good kill you. Or good kill you. All these stupid married men. When they find big nyash, they go. Big nyash. I don't care who you want to spend my career. I don't fucking care. You are see. After the money. Even your own brother and my friend was here. We will deal with it. Not that I don't care. When they wash, I'm gonna share. Now my way be say, he say he love me, whereas he don't love me because of paper. Because I get paper, nationality, mama.
Because of document.
You can't give me belly.
You see,
I tell you, something you don't born. Auntie say la.
and because of paper,
He never born.
because of document.
If I talk to my sister, you go be correct. If I talk to my producer, you go be correct. If I talk to people outside, go dagger you. So then, no, me all go there, go dagger you. Austin, I go dagger you. I don't say I'm happy to approve. Come on, Shara. Come on, the Shara. Come on. They never see you rich. I want me to see you for head to toe because you wear me color. I mean my shorts, sir. I mean my shorts, sir. I mean my shorts. I the last for your gravity. Now I speak all the English when I know. Now you laugh for your pastor guy. Okay? You know nothing but illiterate. You are not illiterate. That's what you are. I don't go to school, but I know where my pass and pass. You see far for that place. You see far. I know.
When I don't hear now, when I see where they get the drag say, where they get the torture ram. Say now because of document, now he make he come marry. Now make he say make the girl born for him because of document. I don't understand our boys. Because of document, you deny your wife, you deny your children. You deny your wife, you deny your children. Una lie too much, men. Una lie too much. Eh? You get wife, you lie to this girl, say you not get wife. Wetin make you not tell am say you get wife, if you want follow you, go follow you. Not know say na because of the document wey you dey look for, na make you tell the girl say make the girl born for you. Okay, the girl come born for you now. You come find out say you even don still give another girl again belle. Like seriously? Eh? Our boys, una still dey behave, una go work. Laziness na dey result to all those kind of things. You see now the girl no allow you enter house, dey pursue you because you are too lazy. Austin, you are winner. Go and work, Austin. Wetin stop you to work? Go and work. Eh? Men, work so that woman go give you respect. Suppose you dey work now, you dey earn your own salary. You believe say this girl come dey treat you like this now? See the way they treat you. See the way they fool you. Video don't fool everywhere now. I want to dey rain now for everywhere now. I want to go and work. Go and work, please. Wanna stop to dey do all those kind of things. Eh? Biko no, as Igbo talk. Eh? Yeah, Yoruba go say ejo e ma binu. Benin go say la wo go and work, Austin. Austin, ya winner. If you suppose you dey work now, this insult if you not receive, and your wife now go see this video now for everywhere now. How you go feel? How you go feel? Mona dey work, mona dey put respect for una self. Una no go hear. Una go say na lie, say na to the lie to women because of document issue. Eh? Go and work, Austin. Ya winner. Oh, what wagbe? Go and work. Suppose you dey work if you not receive this kind of insult. How you go lie to a woman? Una go some men too dey do that thing. Not be only woman dey lie. Men too. Eh? How can you go you get wife, you lie because of documents wey you dey look for? Una dey forget one thing say if woman give you document when she come find out say you lie, she can still keep that document for your hand. Una no dey know that one. This Germany wey me dey here dey happen. If you lie to a woman, you deceive am. The woman can go and meet them and tell them say you deceive am. That document they no go give you again. They no go give you again. If you want go renew am, they wait for you. When you go reach there, they will tell you say your woman say you lie. You lie to am, you deceive am. That document they no go give you again. They will kill am for your hand. They go kill am for your hand. You yourself, you go shocktalize when you go see and say they kill the document for your hand. You go shocktalize that time. But when we not the men, more than stop to the lie. More than stop am. See now, see what it don't happen to you now, Austin. Eh? See what it don't happen to you now. See this grace you put for yourself because supposedly they work. Now this girl for they give you respect, but you are not working. Go and work. Go and work. See the way you take put this grace for yourself. So, my people, this video I know I may pass 10 minutes. That's why I want to just do this video rich now. So, make we they put respect for our body. So that make woman see respect us. You understand? And you will be the woman too. When you say look before you go dey enter, make you look, not be all men wey you tell you say I love you, na I really love you. Pretender, na im many pass. You understand? So abeg, make we dey behave well, so that make respect dey our body. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you're going to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. So that's what you think about this video, when this man is, whether a good man dey lazy or a good woman dey lazy. May you leave your comment for the comment section down below. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.